maximum amount of revenue generated is from liquor in Madhya Pradesh. So the topic right now is, should there be a complete ban on liquor like Bihar and Gujarat, or should it be moderately banned like the CM said?
See, a complete ban on liquor will not be a good idea at all because it will have a very bad effect on the revenue. The prices will go up, and apart from that, liquor is only an agent for all those problems. So you're just numbing the problem. Okay, you're not providing a complete solution. So liquor ban will not be a good idea because it will create a lot of more problems like smuggling and other things, which is happening in Gujarat and Bihar.
Doing the complete ban is politically correct, but economically not correct.
Socially correct.
Few things are there, like we have to see them as what's good for people, what's good for society. Now, first thing if you say is, banning liquor will not completely lower down the cases of domestic violence, but for sure it will lower down the number. It will lower down the data and stats that after consuming liquor, these men do. So if liquor is completely banned, then the whole problem of drink and driving, it would completely be raised off.
It will not be completely be erased off because liquor will be banned legally. You cannot stop the black marketing of liquor. It cannot be completely erased off.
As a government, you have to think about that why your revenues are always dependent on the liquor industry. You should have we should also think about it, why always you have to depend on liquor industry for the revenue. Okay? We have to think about the other aspect.
The state cannot decide everything, whether I should have a set-up box or not, whether I should watch adult movies or not, whether I should consume alcohol or not. So you are ending the basic concept of democracy.
The concept of democracy doesn't says, I'll tell you, the concept of democracy also says that if something is doing harm for the society, then democracy has the right to stop that thing.
You said that why should we not ban something that is harming your social welfare, right? So alcohol is consumed throughout the world. I don't understand why it's only harming the social welfare of India or on Madhya Pradesh. It is consumed in every country of the world. Why is it just here that the social welfare is being harmed? You were talking about alternatives of different things. I'll tell you an alternative of banning liquor to reduce these accidents, 70% of the accidents. Why are there no breathalyzers anywhere? I travel on highways with my family, right? I'm driving from one state to the other. It's night, right? But there are no policemen to check if the driver is drunk driving. There are no breathalyzers check. Why not? Can you only bring a reduction in road accidents, drunk driving accidents by only banning liquor and not regulating them?
You can't expect a policeman behind every vehicle to check whether you are driving, whether you are drinking and driving. You can't expect this.
The point is, I do not want the policeman to walk behind me, to run behind me, to chase me. I am saying that when there are accidents, let's just take the Yamuna Expressway, when there are accidents reported every day, every week there, then why are there no signs? Why are there no, what do you call those things when you check post, right?
If you travel by Yamuna Expressway, after every 5 kilometers is always written, and it's all, I'll tell you, listen, and don't tell me the reason that accidents in Yamuna Expressway are mainly caused due to drunken driving. They are caused because of rash driving.
You are contradicting your own point, man.
I am telling, she's talking about Yamuna Expressway, I am talking about road accidents. Accidents on Yamuna Express, there is a difference. Accidents on Yamuna Expressway maybe can be caused due to many reasons, that is low visibility in winters, many things. But if you talk about road accidents, particularly in NH and highways, most of these accidents are caused due to the people consuming alcohol and then driving harshly on these roads. So you'll have to understand for this fact that if you ban alcohol, 70% of road accidents would reduce down.
What we see, if a ward commissioner or any minister is coming in an area, we are checking every car, we are checking everybody, so that no problem is caused. But why can't you do it in check posts that the people are not consuming alcohol, and why don't you check the cars? Why can't you check the cars that there is no alcohol? Yeah, I know the producers are giving you the point.
No, now I'll tell you one more thing.
They are being biased.
One more thing. Guys, we are the second largest populated country in the world.
We know that.
And don't forget this. So, behind every vehicle you can't expect a policeman. Those countries, those who have these resources, those who have these breathalyzers to check people. Listen, Aman. Those who have these resources and all, the population of those countries are just equivalent to the population of our Haryana or Uttar Pradesh.
Okay. But when we talk about resources, next week we will sit here after the liquor ban and we will say, यार education ने बहुत कम पैसे डाले इस बार, यार road सरकार काम नहीं कर रही, road टूटे हुए हैं. तो when the revenue will not be generated, na, the roads will not be nice, the infrastructure will, then you will talk about alternatives. So why those alternatives not right now? Why only about liquor ban that new ideas will come and new alternatives will come to generate revenue? Yeah, get the mic, please.
I'll not talk of alternative. I'll just, according to you, the only source of state income is liquor. Yes.
When did I say that? When did I
If
say
that is just,
It's
if that is just one thing, then there is an alternative to cut down that one thing and implement something that is equivalent to that one thing.
What and why
And
not?
that
without
one thing
liquor?
is, that
Why
one
not
thing is,
implement that
and that
without
one thing
liquor
is,
ban?
see, I am not the person who will ban this thing. I can suggest that government should.
Suggest the alternative.
I am suggesting that alternative, that there should be a gradual ban in consumption. There should not be a,
all agree with
and
that.
there
We need the revenue, na.
generate revenue from other sources.